All right, let's talk about filling trays for the microgreens. You're gonna do a 2-tray method. This is a solid tray, bootstrap tray, solid, nice and sturdy. So you're gonna make sure you get a solid tray and either a slotted or mesh tray. This is slotted, and then you also have mesh trays, which we're switching over to a bit. So put them together. Obviously the mesh tray are slotted inside that. And then you get yourself a scoop. We got a 3-quart scoop here, which is basically how much soil we need. So it's a nice little handle scoop. You can get it at Tractor Supply, Farm and Home, one of them. It's basically a feed scoop, works really good. So just make sure your soil is got less chunks in it when you break up the soil. Obviously, you gotta do all that and everything else. But other than that, then you're ready to go ahead. So I'm gonna scoop the soil in. Basically just get that, and I'm gonna spread it over there. You might have to come back for some more. Just a little bit more, fill it up. There we go. Just like that. And then I use a 12-inch scraper, paint scraper is what we use. And you just fill it in. So scrape back. Just getting it level here. Just flatten it out, put it right back in there. And that's the reason why I got just a little extra, because I know I'm gonna dump it out there. But 3 quarts is basically what you need. Scoop the last little extra in there. And just like that, we have a full tray of soil ready to go. And then obviously we'll smash it down. You can see on our How to Grow videos, we do all that. Smash it down with this board here. And smash it down, make it flat, and then get into planting. So that's filling soil trays. I will see you in the next one. Happy growing.